Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Spectrum mobile eSIM in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, after you purchase your eSIM from Spectrum.net, Spectrum will send you an email with a QR code. You'll need this code to set up your eSIM, so keep it ready. Next, on iPhone, go to Settings, then Cellular, and go to Add Cellular Plan, and scan the QR code with your camera. On Android, open your camera app and scan the QR code. If that doesn't work, go to Settings, then Connections, and go to SIM Manager and add eSIM. Then choose Scan QR code. Once scanned, just follow the on-screen steps. Tap Add and wait a few moments, and then tap Done once activation is complete. Your eSIM should now be active and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully activated your Spectrum mobile eSIM. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.